In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake XRP using the Coinbase app. Staking is an exciting way to earn rewards on your cryptocurrency holdings by actively contributing to the security and operations of a blockchain network. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure everything is straightforward and easy to follow. First, you'll want to open the Coinbase app on your device. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials so you can access your account. Once you're in, navigate to the Assets tab situated at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find information about all of your holdings in one convenient place. After that, move to the staking section and select Buy More. From the list of available options, choose XRP. Depending on which version of the app you have, you might see either an Earn or Stake button. Tap on that button to proceed. This option allows you to begin the process of staking your XRP so that you can start earning rewards. Before moving forward, it's crucial to review the staking terms presented to you. These terms will detail the rewards you can expect and the lockup period during which your XRP will be staked. This period is important because it tells you how long your cryptocurrency will be unavailable for withdrawal. Make sure these terms align with your investment goals before proceeding. Once you're comfortable with the terms, it's time to enter the amount of XRP you wish to stake. Consider how much you'd like to contribute and keep in mind your overall portfolio strategy. After you've specified the amount, you'll need to confirm the staking transaction. This confirmation step is your final chance to review all the details, so take a moment to ensure everything is correct. After confirming, your XRP will be staked, and you can rest easy knowing that rewards will start accumulating automatically. These rewards are a great way to benefit from your crypto assets while supporting the network. To keep track of your earnings, navigate back to the Assets section and find XRP. From there, you can go to Staking Rewards to see the rewards being generated from your staking activity. Monitoring your rewards can provide valuable insights into your returns over time and help you make informed decisions about your staking strategy. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to earning rewards through staking your XRP on Coinbase. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned investor, staking offers a fantastic opportunity to engage more deeply with your cryptocurrency holdings while contributing to the ecosystem. Thanks for watching and happy staking.